Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll show you how to check seller rating on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then find whatever item that you want to purchase, for example this one, and then scroll down until you see seller's name. Then go to seller's profile, and here at the top you will see feedback score of this specific seller. Here it is. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.